Oh, well, that was wonderful. Good time was had by all. I'm pooped.
Yes, I should be. Good Lord, what is happening in there?
Aurora borealis.
Please do not go outside at this time. Cat-like creatures are attacking civilians. These creatures are known as werecats. They stand at around 6 feet tall, weigh 103 pounds, stand on 2 legs, have brown or black fur, and will attack humans on sight. Approximately 1,500 deaths and 3,500 injuries have been reported. All residents are advised to close and lock all windows and doors, and seek an underground shelter at this time. Gather food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a phone chargers, and a battery, hand crank, or NOAA weather radio with you if necessary.